Hello dolls, welcome to my channel. This is ft.CurlsCurls Hair Company. This is everything that came inside the packet. The clip and also the length of the hair, which is a 16-inch, and this is the Kinky Curly and the 99J. This is all the information you would need to help detangle if the hair gets tangled. This wig is a very natural color and a natural texture, which I love so much. The first thing I'm going to do is style it. I just wanted to show you the elastic band. It is super helpful, so you do not need to glue this unit because it's not a lace front, it's a full cap. I'm going in with my Aunt Jackie Frizz Control, but the hair is damp. Going in with the Curls Unleashed Texture Curly Jelly. You do not need too much, but this also helps not detangle, but it helps define the curls. Now that it's styled and ready to put on my head, I am just scrunching the hair together to make it a little fuller, and I'm going to let it air dry. really like the style. It's very natural and looks just like my natural hair texture. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.